Hi guys, welcome back to SY channel. I'm Stephanie. Because I was thinking right now it's around Chinese New Year, I should teach you guys how to say the wishes words and the fortune words, and how can you express Happy New Year in China by using Chinese. So first of all, we will learn Happy Chinese New Year. How to say happy? Normally, you could say it from Chinese person, like how to express happy. That means 快乐,快乐. You know, there's rule and principle you have to remember. If you want to express Chinese sentence, you have to reverse it. I mean, for the meaning, each word's meaning, you have to reverse it in English. For instance, okay, for the very first example we used before, are you good? In Chinese, we will express you good are. You are good. Yeah, something like that. So when you say Happy New Year, Happy Chinese New Year, we have to say Chinese New Year happy. So given the meaning of happy is 快乐 in Chinese, right? So for China, Chinese, we all know it's called 中国. So for New Year, in China, we call it 新年. If you want to say New Year as the very first day from the year, you can also express it as 新年. So for instance, if today is the 1st January of 2020, you can express Happy New Year. It's no problem. It's totally correct. You can just say it in Chinese word 新年快乐. It's fine. But for the Chinese New Year, do you know how to express it? Let's review it again. Happy New Year means 新年 New Year, happy 快乐. 新年快乐. Okay, read it after me. 新年快乐. One more time. 新年快乐. Okay, when it finished, right? If you want to express like a Happy Chinese New Year, you just need to add Chinese in the middle. 新年快乐. 中国新年快乐. That means Chinese New Year happy. Okay, read it after me. 中国新年快乐. 中国新年快乐. Very good. You did a good job anyway. So let's go to another wishes. If you want to express, I wish you all the best and I hope your dream will come true in the new year. In China, we have the 4 characters phrase. We say it 心想事成. It's kind of a bit hard, I think, because we didn't express each characters in each meaning, because we sometimes use the imagination to express things or the people and the meaning. So for the 4 characters, that's for wishes, like wish all your dreams come true and everything you wished will come true, something like that. So in Chinese, we call it 心想事成. So for 心, that means heart, your heart. 想, that means think, thinking. 事 means everything, the things. 成 means successful. So like everything you think in your heart, or you think with all your heart wish will come true. So that's the meaning. We call it 心想事成. Okay, so that's for the second wishes. You can just read it after me again for 3 times as you roll. The first time, 心想事成. Okay, look at my mouse. 心想事成. Very good. And one more time. 心想事成. Did a really good job. So now let's turn to another. Like If you know Happy Chinese New Year and know I wish your dreams come true, so probably you will see, no matter when you express the wishes or you want to sending the email to others, you always say all the best. That also means the wishes, right? I wish you all the best. But in China, we only use 2 words to express it. If you say it all the best to the person face to face, that means good luck. I wish you all the best. In Chinese, we say it 祝福,祝福. That means hope you have a good luck in the new year and everything. I 祝福 you. 我爱祝福 you 你我祝福你 That means I wish you all the best. And for email, if you want to write it down below the content, you have to say 2 words or just tap it on the screen like 祝好 because wish that means 祝福 I wish wish you and 好 means good. Good also like the abbreviation for good luck. So combine them together is like wish you good luck. So it's quite same with the all the best in English in the email, right? So use 祝好 to express it. But for our English, we can't just speak it out to everything. We usually use 祝福. So remember the 2 words, different 2 words. One for our English to talk it to others face to face, and the other for the email writing. One is for 祝福 I wish you all the best. 我祝福你 And the other for 祝好 I wish you luck. Have good luck in 2020. 祝好 Okay, so now you get it? I believe that you will repeat it and do some exercises by yourself, right? So I have the confidence for you. In you, do you have the confidence? I hope you learned it. Well, thanks for watching it, guys. And that's for today's video, and to teach you how to express the new year and the best wishes to others. Okay, and if you like the channel, please give me a thumb up. And if you want to learn more information about dancing, K-pop dancing, or Chinese classical dancing, and also Chinese, how to speak Chinese, please follow our SY channel, and you can ask me anything, anytime, if you followed my SY channel Instagram as well. Because I don't set the Facebook at the time, since I have another channel working, so it can be the account focus on this channel too much, but I will keep uploading new videos. Guys, hope you like it. Well, let's see you in next video. Bye!